Good morning, children. In this video, we are going to study about highest common factor. The definition of it is the largest number which divides the given number without leaving a remainder. I repeat, the largest number which divides the given number without leaving a remainder. In short, it is called as HCF. Full form of this is highest common factor. Now this HCF is also known as greatest common divisor denoted by GCD. Greatest common divisor. So for this HCF we have two names. One is HCF and the other one is GCD. Okay. Now children, we can find this HCF in three different ways. The first one is through factors method. Second one is prime factorization method. Third one is successive division method. Yeah. See children, in Brain Booster 6.6, we have three questions. First question is find the HCF of the following by listing out the factors. Second question is find the HCF of the following by prime factorization method. Again, third is also find the HCF of the following by successive division method. We have seen that we can find out HCF by the three methods. So, we will see in detail. Okay, we will start with the first question. Here children, so first one is by listing out the factors. So, the first question is 6 and 9. We have to write the factors of 6. That is 6 will be coming in, means that is divisible. 6 is divisible in 1 table, 2 table, 3 table, 6 table. So here children you can see that this 1 into 6, 1 6 are 6 and 2 3s are 6. Okay, these are the factors. Now 9 table, factors of 9. Okay, so 1 9s are 9 and 3 into 3. If any number, any factor is repeated, it is written only one time. Okay, so it is 1 9s are and 3 3s are. So factors of 6 we have written and factors of 9 also we have written. Now children, the third step is, this is step 1, step 2, step 3, common factors of 6 and 9. Okay, what are those? What are the common factors? 1 is repeated in both and also 3 is repeated in both factors of 6 and 9. Okay, so now 1, 6 are common factors. Now we want HCF of 6 and 9 is equal to, what is the highest common factor? It is 3. The answer is 3. Now children, in the same method, second sum we are doing 24 and 56. Factors of 24. So 24 comes in one table. Okay, so 1 into 24. It also comes in 2 because it is an even number. 2 into 12. Children, actually before writing this one line factors, how we used to write 24 equal to 1 into 24, then 2 into 12. We used to write like this, no? 3 8s are 24. Again, this will come in 4 table. 4 6 are. Okay. So this I have written directly because here we have to write like this only, because you got used to this method. Okay, children. So 1 into 24, 2 into 12, 3 into 3 8s are 24, 4 into 6. Have you understood, children? I have written directly. Okay. And factors of 54 is also same like that. So 1 into 56, into table 2 into 28. Okay. 4 into 14, 7 into 8. Is it clear? Now, after writing factors of 24 as well as 56, we will write common factors of 24 and 56. First, we will check what are common. 1 is repeated in both, 2 is repeated, 4 and 8. Okay, these are common. So we are going to write all the factors which are common. 1, 2, 4, 8. Our final answer, HCF of 24 and 56 is equal to 8. Whichever is the highest, that is our answer. Highest common factor. Among the common factors, what is the highest? It is 8. This is your first model, children. Now, children, see 32, 48. These two numbers you need to find out using the factors. Okay, children, now we are going to move for the second method. Now, children, the second method is prime factorization method. So, this we will take both the numbers in L shape. Okay. Now 64 and 36 is our question numbers. Means in the first sum we have 64 and 36. So these two numbers will come in two table. Children, here it is compulsory that we need to take prime numbers only. Okay. So first we will start with 2. Any numbers we will see whether that number comes from with 2. Okay. Now 2 table, it will be coming, both the numbers comes in 2 table. So 2 3s is 6, 2 2s is 4, comma 2 1s are 2, 1 remainder, 2 8s are 16. That means I want to show by real division. 2 1s are 2, 1 remainder. This 1 remainder I am writing here. Children, see here. 2 1s are 2. Means 3 minus 2 is 1. Now it has become 16. 2 8s is 16. Okay. See here. Remainder is 1. And now get down 6. 2 8s are 16. Okay. So 2 into 18 is 36. Okay. Now these two numbers will again is divisible by 2. 2 1s are 2. 1 remainder. 2 6 are 12. Now 2 9s is 18. Now children, these two numbers will not come in the same table. These 16 and 9 are not divisible by 2, not divisible by 3. Okay. So we should leave the division. We should leave the division. So our answer is only 2 into 2. Now HCF is equal to product of all the common prime factors. Here we have two numbers have the same common factor. Here also same common factor. But for these two we don't have common factor. So we will just leave. Now 2 into 2 equal to 4. Children, I think you have understood. Now we'll move on to the next sum. 75 and 35. So again that also should be taken in L shape. Now 75 and 35, last one digit number is 5 and 5. So both numbers will come in 5 table. So we will take 5. 5 ones is 5, 2 remainder. Okay. So it will become 25. If you are unable to do like this, children, you can divide and see. 75. 5 ones is 5. 2. Get down 5. So 5 5s is 25. Remainder 0. So how many times? It is 15 times. 5 15s are 75. Now 5 7s is 35. Now children, 15 and 7 will not come in the same table. So we will just leave here. Our answer is 5. Therefore, HCF is equal to product of all the common prime factors is equal to 5. Thank you, children.